Well, with only like 20-ish days left before A1, Star Racing Yamaha full lineup has been announced. It's been out for a day or two, whatever. But obviously, there's going to be the tried and true number one, Eli Tomac, coming in as the reigning champ. Just of course he's going to be on the bike. Why would he ever be left off? Not a surprise there. Why would you let him go? Who knows how long he's going to race, but if you're Yamaha, you're going to hold on to that for as long as he wants to race. Going back with the second and normal pairing that they had the last couple years, Dylan Ferrandis is back. Hopefully injury-free this year. Going to give everyone a nice run for the money. Giving the Blue Crew, that nice 1-2 punch in the 450s. I hope he does well. I hope he doesn't have any more injuries, any more hand problems like he did last year. And we get to see a full season with a lot of competition out of everyone. But the one that surprised me, Justin Cooper. Apparently, he's going to be making some select 450 round races. I don't think he's doing the full season as everything I've read, heard, whatever you want to say. But apparently, he doesn't benefit from the new rules of pointing out on the 250 class. So he had to move up, and well, he'll be on the 450 for supercross and the 250 for motocross because you can't point out to that one. So. And in the 250 side, we do have some new faces on the Yamaha team, starting off with Jordan Smith saying, quote, "I've got a new team this year and my wife and I have a new baby, so life's changing a lot for me. I'm just excited to get the season going. I've been training for what feels like forever. I trained all throughout the outdoor season and worked with the team, so I'm ready to get racing. I've been riding well and I feel good on the bike. I'm looking to win a championship. That's what Star hired me to do. It's always the goal to win a championship, but you can't win it in the first round, so I'm going into the season looking to be smart, get some good starts, and let the cards fall." Moving over from Husqvarna this year, we've got Styles Robertson saying, quote, "I've been at the goat farm putting in the work and getting ready for the season with Swanee Gareth Swanepoel? I could never say his last name, so forgive me for that one. And everyone with the team. It's been so good so far. There are a lot of new exciting things, and it's been a lot of fun getting used to these new things. I'm really excited to go racing with this team and try to put the YZ250F to where it belongs up front. I can't wait to get behind the gate." Again, coming back, we've got Nate Thrasher. He was on the team last year, if I remember rightly. It's saying it's been a good off-season. Everyone says that they're the fastest they've ever been in the off-season, but we're making a lot of progress. I've been trying to improve every week, and I feel like I've got a good pace this year. It's definitely better than last year. It's my third year with the team, and we've got more experience coming into the season. I feel like this year we can be a podium guy consistently and contend for a championship. That's what we need to do. Again, another returning guy, Levi Kitchen, saying, "I've been really looking forward to the Supercross season. I've been putting in a lot of laps during the off season, and everything's been going really well. I didn't get to race that much last year because I got hurt, so my main focus for Supercross next season is to learn a lot and shoot for some podiums and maybe get some wins." Obviously being realistic there. I like that. And Nick Romano, again, another returning guy for the 250 side, saying, "This season's been good. This is my first full off-season riding Supercross. It was kind of tough getting back into the swing of things after the injury from Unadilla, but it's been awesome lately, and I'm getting faster and stronger every day. I'm super stoked to get my first Supercross season started. My main goal is to get all the rounds under my belt and learn the stadiums, the tracks, and the dirt. Obviously, I have standards for myself, and I want to win, but you're not going to learn much unless you're at every round. I'm looking forward to Supercross and getting into the outdoors after that." So they've got a full lineup. Three 450 guys, and well, in the end, you're going to have 6 250 riders if you count Justin Cooper in it. So in the comments below, you tell me, how well do you think the 450 guys are going to do? Do you think Tomac goes for another championship? Do you think Ferrandis gives him a run for his money? He maybe wins. And on the 250 side, obviously, I don't know who's racing east or west. I haven't personally seen anything about that yet. But how well do you think you're going to do? Obviously, they've got a full lineup with 5 riders. So this is going to be a big season for them. There's a lot of money invested in this and a lot of time. And, well, I hope the Blue Crew does well because personal bias and everything. But in the comments below, you tell me. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, comment, whatever you want. Share it. Do all the fun things that this platform allows you to do because obviously it helps me a lot playing the YouTube algorithm game. And again, comment down below anything you want. Who do you think, how well the team's going to do? Who do you think out of the team's going to do the best? Whatever it is. And with that, I'll see y'all later. Peace.